Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix login mic on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing a laggy or delayed microphone on Discord, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Firstly, ensure that you have a stable or reliable internet connection. A poor or fluctuating connection can cause lag and voice communication. Another method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Next method, right-click on the voice channel name and choose Edit Channel. Check the bitrate settings and set them to an appropriate level based on your internet speed. Another method, in Discord, go to User Settings, the gear icon, Voice and Video, under the Input Device section. Choose your microphone from the drop-down menu. Adjust the input sensitivity slider to find the optimal level. Another method, ensure that no other applications are actively using your microphone. Some applications may compete for access, causing lag. Next method, restart your router to refresh the internet connection. Sometimes, routers can encounter issues that lead to lag and voice communication. Another method, close unnecessary background processes on your PC to free up resources. High CPU or memory usage can contribute to lagging. And lastly, if the issue persists, consider reaching out to Discord support or visiting the community forums for further assistance. They may have specific recommendations based on the latest updates on community feedback. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.